For any recipe that is created, a recipe mapping profile must be set up to associate each item in the recipe with a treat product stand. From the grid on the left, choose the desired recipe and then click the Recipe Mapping Profile button on the right side of the screen. For example, if KSi Training Tutorial 2 is selected, it will appear on the right-hand side. Selecting the Recipe Mapping Profile button will open the Recipe Mapping Profile window. At the top right of the table, you will see a link labeled Mapping Recommendations. Clicking this link will open a PDF that provides guidance on mapping treat products to pump stands. Inside the Recipe Mapping Profile window, each treat product in the recipe is listed as a row with the following columns. Liquid source. This defines which treat product source/stand this treat product will be loaded onto. It is user definable. Slurry. A checkbox that is automatically checked if another treat product is assigned to the same stand. Ratio. For treat products that are part of a slurry, this shows the percentage of the total slurry that the treat product represents based on the recipe's application rates. Slurry ingredients. Lists all treat products included in the slurry, separated by underscores. To complete the mapping, select a treat product in the list and assign it to the stand using the liquid source dropdown. For example, if the treat product KSi Training Tutorial is selected, you may assign it to treat source 1. Once selected, press Save. The chosen source will now appear in the treat product source column for the treat product. Each time you save, the system automatically recalculates the slurry, ratio, and slurry ingredients columns for all treat products in the recipe. Repeat this process for each treat product until all are mapped to a stand. Once complete, the Recipe Mapping Profile window will show all of the updated data. Once all mapping is complete, the Cancel button at the bottom of the window changes to Save and Close Recipe Mapping Profile. After saving and closing, the recipe is ready for use on an order. The status of a recipe's mapping profile can always be checked from the recipe page. If the mapping is complete, the Recipe Mapping Complete checkbox next to the Recipe Mapping Profile button will be selected.